Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa is going to do a bit of a luxury dish. Why I call it luxury? Because that's one of my favorite dishes, curry fish. And today I'm going to use a Chinese Pomfret to make a curry fish. Sounds luxury to you? Over the Chinese New Year, Appa has bought quite a number of Chinese Pomfret. So today I want to use it to do something different. So this dish, 100% you can't order outside. Nobody will be using Chinese Pomfret to do curry fish for you because they don't know how much to sell to you. Very expensive Chinese Pomfret. Okay, so what we do here is let's very quickly go through the ingredient. This is about 1 tablespoon of 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of this is fish curry powder. This is 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, and also 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Basically, these three is a must lah. The fish curry powder is an add-on, it's a bonus, yeah. So 2:1:1 the ratio. All the ingredients will be written inside the video description. So for those who can't follow me, go and read the video description. And then we will need some 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, fresh coriander roots, ginger and shallot. Also half minced tomato, some coconut milk. I'm using coconut cream, and you will need some chicken stock or hot water. This is actually a very simple dish. So let's start with giving it some oil. You can be very generous with the oil when it comes to cooking curries. 4-5 tablespoons at least, because all the chili powders and curry powders will actually soak out your oil later anyway. Then we will saute the fresh ingredient first: garlic, ginger, coriander, and also shallot. You want to bring out the fragrance of all these fresh herbs. We will come back after about a minute plus. Now some of you might ask, Appa, where is your curry leaf? Well, simple answer, Appa doesn't have curry leaf today. If you have curry leaf, put it in, but if not, don't worry, you can still make a very nice curry, yeah? Don't worry, using this particular recipe. So after about 1.5 minutes sauteing, you just tune down the fire a little bit. Let's add in the minced tomato. And we want to put in your mixed curry powders. If it's too dry, give it more oil, yeah? And you want to use low heat, yeah? Low medium heat to stir fry your curries. If not, it can get burnt very easily. So do give it a bit of patience here. Actually, my curry powder is quite a lot today. Definitely too dry. Let me give it a bit more oil here. Slowly saute your curry powders for at least 5 minutes minimum. Keep on stirring, yeah? And low heat. Some people has advised Appa before, saying that certain ingredient you must do this, certain ingredient you must do that because it's very fresh. Just as sometimes they say, oh, very fresh fish you must steam only. You can only steam. No. Appa don't buy that kind of concept. Yeah, this is my own kitchen. This is my home cooked dinner. I decide how I want to eat it. If I want to fry a very fresh fish, that's my choice. Yeah, that's my personal choice. Nobody can say you're wrong. All right. Oh, by the way, it's really not common for people to use Chinese Pomfret for fish curry, but it is very common for people to make use of black Pomfret, yeah, for curry. So you can buy black Pomfret easily. The Chinese Pomfret I use today is probably about 500 grams, I would say. Okay, usually they will say you fry your curry paste until the minyak pecah, meaning when you start seeing the oil breaking, yeah, from um, the paste itself. Then we will actually season the paste with some salt and some sugar. Next thing, I'm going to add in my chicken stock. Now, if you want to add any veggie, by all means, do that, go for it. So we are going to bring this curry to a boil. This will be just nice to submerge my whole fish inside, yeah. And I have some few chunks of tomato. Let's bring this to a boil. Okay, it started boiling. Now, before adding the fish, I'm going to put in approximately 2 tablespoons of tamarind puree. Assam, yeah? This is assam. I forgot to show you at the front just now, at the beginning of the video. Nice and sourish. And you always want to season your curry first before you put in the ingredients, so that later your ingredient, when you put it inside, all the flavor will be absorbed by it, yeah? Whether or not it is meat or also or fish or prawn. I will give it a bit of my favorite premium fish sauce. Right. Next thing, the fish. Ooh, Chinese Pomfret in curry. I will let it cook under medium heat for probably about 6-7 minutes or maybe slightly more. It really depending on the size of your fish, okay? Okay, this is after about 8 minutes. Simmering under medium or medium-low heat, yeah? The fish is definitely cooked here. Let me slowly take out the fish, move it on to the serving plate. Alright, and I'm going to off the fire here, put in some coconut milk, about 100 ml. Oh, immediately enhanced flavor, and also it becomes creamier, yeah? Can you see? Yeah, the whole curry broth now becomes much creamier and very, very fragrant. And now we just want to do some final tasting, yeah? Let me see. Very nice. Sourish, savory. I don't mind giving a little bit of sugar. And I can taste the coconut, very nice. Right, basically done. I'm going to pour the curry broth onto the fish. So here's my serving plate. And here's my creamy curry. I can save some of my curry for tomorrow. And I can eat it with some cha bee hoon. I'm going to give some fresh coriander on top. And some fried onion. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.